So students, now we're going to start exercise 14.1, question number 1. Check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. We have to check whether these given equations are quadratic equation or not. We are going to see that, but before that, what we have to understand, for being a quadratic equation, when we will call it as quadratic equation, when there will be, for example, it will be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. ये form में है तो we can say that is a quadratic equation. If it is not in this particular form, so that means it is not a quadratic equation. But we cannot find it like by observing this. यहाँ square दिख रहा है तो this is a quadratic equation, यहाँ नहीं दिख रहा है, it means not. No, we have to solve it for that and we have to see. Though there are 8 problems, I have selected 4 problems from that. So we will solve these 4 problems. You can practice that the rest of the problems. After watching this, you will be able to solve that also. And if doubts are there, you can just message into that comment so we can clear that. Alright. So let us see whether these are in the form of quadratic equation or not. So very first one is x plus 1 whole square is equals to 2x minus 3. Correct? You can solve it in any way, like direct, you can solve it LHS here and RHS here, like that also. Otherwise separately also you want to take. For example, LHS is equals to x plus 1 whole square. So we will solve this first and then we'll solve RHS and then we'll match that. So LHS will be x plus 1 whole square. As you know, what is the formula of x plus 1 whole square? X square plus 2ab plus b square, y square, that is b square. So this will be the LHS. Now RHS is equals to 2x minus 3. So this will give you 2 into x, 2x minus 2, 3 are 6. So this is the RHS. But LHS and RHS both are equal. So we will put it into the formula, which implies this x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 6. Right? This equals to this. This equals to this. So we will solve this. This is 2x. This is also plus. If we transpose, that will be minus. So ye or ye cancel. So we got x square plus 1. 6 will transport. That will become plus 6 equals to 0. X square plus 7 equals to 0. And this is a particular equation. Let us see whether it is in the form of ax square plus b or not. So see, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So यहाँ पे constant term है and you have x square also. This can be 0 x. So therefore, as I told you, a, b, c are real numbers. So this can be 0. Sorry, b and c are real numbers. But a, b, c are real numbers, but a cannot be 0. So b 0 रह सकता है. So this is the standard form. So yes, it is a quadratic equation. You can write there in the below. Yes, it is in the standard form ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore, it can be 0. So this was the first one. Let us go to the next one. If you find lengthy, you can solve it directly also. But for the students who don't understand or who find it difficult, so go it in a simple way also. So second question, x minus 2 x plus 1 is equals to x minus 1 x plus 3. So we have to solve this. After solving, we will understand or we will come to know that whether it is quadratic or not. So you can solve it. LHS equals to x minus 2 x plus 1. So directly also you can multiply this x into complete bracket, 2 into complete bracket, or you can use x plus a x plus b formula. But let us directly do x square plus x minus 2x minus 2. This can be x square minus x minus 2. This is LHS. RHS will be equals to x minus 1 x plus 3. So this will give you x into x square plus 3x minus x plus minus 3. So then x square 3x minus x 2x minus 3. So this is your LHS and this is your RHS. Let us combine them, let us equate them. which implies x square minus x minus 2 is equals to x square plus 2x minus 3. Now see, if you transpose x square to this side, that will become minus x square minus x square cancel. So यहाँ से we can identify, yes, it is not a quadratic equation क्योंकि x square ही cancel होगा, but still we will solve. We'll bring 2x here, 2x minus x, x minus 2 plus 3 minus 1 is equals to 0. So x minus 1 is not in the form of this, so therefore this is not a quadratic equation. Let us go and see the third question. So third question is x square plus 3x plus 1 equals to x minus 2 whole square. LHS cannot be further solved, so x square plus 3x plus 1 as it is. RHS is in the form of formula x minus 2 whole square. This will give you x square minus 2ab plus 4. So this is the formula which implies x square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to x square minus 4x plus 4. Again this get cancelled, so 3x plus 4x plus 1 minus 4 equals to 0. This will be 7x minus 3 equals to 0. This is also not a quadratic equation, so you can write there it is not a quadratic equation. And then we'll go to the last question, that is the fourth one. So then you have to solve the fourth one. X plus 2 whole cube, okay, is equals to 2x into x square minus 1. I'll rub this also, I to keep this to confuse you. Now that you know what is standard form. So we have to use the formula to get this LHS. LHS is equals to x plus 2 whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So that is the formula. So x plus 2 whole cube is equals to x cube plus 3a square b, 3x square plus 3a, this will be a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, like this. So x cube plus 3 to the 6x square plus 4 12x plus 2 cube is 8. And what is RHS? 2x into x square minus 1, 2x cube minus 2x. So therefore now comparing this equation, LHS is x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 equals to 2x cube minus 2x. Let us transpose this. X cube minus 2x cube plus 6x square. Now we can say that since cancel nahi hota hai, so that means cubic equation, so not a quadratic, but still we will solve this. X square then what is left? Plus 12x plus plus 2x, ये भी ट्रांसफर हो गया, plus 8 equals to 0. Let us finally solve this. X cube minus 2x cube minus x cube plus 6x square as it is, 12x plus 2x 14x plus 8 equals to 0. If we have not made any mistake, then this is not a quadratic equation. Let us check it once. LHS is equals to x plus 2 whole cube. So yes, 3a square b, 3ab square plus 2. That's it. 3 to the 6 x square, correct? Okay. And for this 2x into x, 2x cube. Yeah, if we shift 2x cube to this side, that is minus 2x cube. X cube में से minus 2x cube है. So therefore that it is correct, and then this is the way of finding whether it is quadratic equation or not. So thank you. Do the rest of the problems, and if doubts are there, you can comment. Thank you.